Should I apply for a job off campus or on campus? Off campus. No, on campus. Oh, I'm so confused. Relax. Go through this video. And by the end of the video, you will surely have the clarity. Because in this video, I will talk about first, pros and cons of on-campus placements. Second, pros and cons of off-campus placements. And accordingly, you can choose or opt for both the options to get hired sooner of your choice of company, profile and salary. I will start with the pros or benefits of on-campus placements. Before that, please hit the like button and subscribe button to keep motivating me to create more and more such content. Pros of on-campus placements. First, they save time and energy. Since the companies come to the college to hire you, so everything happens at one place only. You do not have to reach out to companies to check if they have an opening or go about traveling to various companies to give interviews. Thus, it saves the time, money and energy needed for the job hunting. So, if the campus placement is good in college, then most students end up getting placed in a company before their last year of college is even over. So yes, that definitely is a huge benefit of on-campus placements. Second, it has limited competition. In on-campus placement, students have to compete with their peers only and not the entire community. Thus, the competition is limited in on-campus placement and it is fairly easy to impress the recruiters from a small group of candidates as compared to off-campus placements, where the students is competing not just with students from their own college but from many colleges across the country. The third is the college and company repo benefits. Many prestigious colleges have tie-ups with big brands who come to these colleges to recruit their best students. Students can avail this repo between the two parties and utilize this opportunity to get recruited in a good company when they come for hiring on campus. The next benefit is the references are not necessary for on-campus placements. So while in off-campus placements, references from your college professors or previous employers or a good word from any reference of yours working in that company may be an added bonus, such references are not required in on-campus placements. So these were some of the benefits of on-campus placements. Now let's see the cons of on-campus placements. The one disadvantage of sitting for on-campus placements is that the type and the number of companies that come to your college will depend a lot on how good your college is and also how active the TNP cell of your college is. Colleges with an inactive TNP cell may not get many companies to come for hiring. Apart from this, limited companies come to recruit from the campus and chances are that the company of your choice may not come to your college for recruitment. The second disadvantage is that only the top cream of students get recruited to good companies, while the students with an average CGPA may end up either getting recruited to not so good companies or worse, may not be placed anywhere in on-campus placements. But don't worry if you don't get placed in on-campus placements, since off-campus placements will always come to your rescue. Many times in on-campus placements, companies hire students in bulk and may not give them immediate joining dates. Joining dates may be delayed for a year and this creates frustration and anxiety in a lot of students. The last disadvantage is the lack of variety of options. What I mean by this is that if you are looking to find a job outside of your field of study, then on-campus placements may not be the right fit for you. If you are from a BTech college, chances are that the companies that come will recruit you for the job role related to your field of study. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of off-campus placements. We will start by talking about pros of off-campus placements. The first advantage of off-campus placements is that there are limitless choices available to you. So whether it is getting placed in the company of your choice or in the role of your choice, the opportunities available to you in off-campus placements are limitless. The second advantage is that there is an option for high remuneration available. So when you apply for off-campus placements, you can negotiate better on your salary. If you feel you deserve better, or if you are being offered better compensation at another company, well, it will also depend on your skill set and how good you are at the negotiation. The next advantage is more learning. While sitting for off-campus placements, you are essentially competing with everyone who is looking for a job in that role in that company. Hence, the competition is more here, but at the same time, you also learn how to land a job on your own. You do your own research and find out about job opportunities. You reach out to the HR on your own. You follow up on the hiring process. You persuade and negotiate. And all these learning are great life skills to have. Now let's look at the cons or disadvantages of off-campus placement. The first challenge of off-campus placement is that competition is very high. While you are competing only with your peers in on-campus placement, here you are competing with students from various colleges while sitting for off-campus placements. So competition is high here. The second challenge is that you are on your own. So in on-campus placements, the college take care of getting companies, arranging interviews and getting students ready. But you are on your own when applying for off-campus placements. You need to find job opportunities and search for job openings. Then you have to apply for job roles, get interviews with the companies, even travel to different cities for interviews. So the time and the effort consumed in off-campus placement is definitely higher. The next challenge is that you will face in off-campus placement is a higher level of grilling during interviews. Since your interviewer is off-campus placements, know nothing about your background, they grill you more in the interviews to make sure you are a good fit for their company. Hence, when you sit for off-campus interviews, you need to be more prepared. You can go through these videos that have many sample answers to common asked questions like tell me about yourself and why we should hire you. The last challenge you are likely to face is an ask from the recruiter for more work experience. Companies generally ask for experience when they recruit off campus. This can be a job experience or an internship experience. But if you have done internships or worked on various projects during your college, you can use it to your advantage in this case. After all, once you get an interview, it's all about impressing the employer. So how can you mention relevant skills, projects and experience in your resume? For this, go through this video. It is a step-by-step guide and also has a sample resume that you can use. With this, I come to the end to this video. I hope this video helps. And if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments section. Till then, good luck. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Intern Shala. All the best.